It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to be looking at different samples of a population, and we need to determine which of them is random and not biased and best represents our sample space. So we have a student that wants to determine the average price of a gallon of gas in his state. He's going to survey gas stations to collect data. We want to know which of the following samples should he survey to collect the best representative data. And you have 4 answer choices to pick from. Here's where I'd like you to pause the video, consider all 4 choices, and you select what you think is the best representation of this data. Go ahead and pause and come back when you're ready. Good luck. Welcome back. So our student wants to determine the average price of a gallon of gas in his state. So we're looking for representation in the entire state for the average price of a gallon of gas. And we need to pick the best out of all 4. Okay. So when I'm looking to see representation, I want to look for random and not biased. So when I consider all 4 of these, I instantly see they're all the same size, right? They're all 20. And then that's all random. So I can see that 20 random selected gas stations is consistent among all 4. So the random part of this is already considered in all 4 choices. So now we want to look at bias. So when I look at choice A, I see that it represents gas stations across the state. That seemingly represents the entire state and it's random. So I'm going to keep that as a possibility. Part B says randomly selected and closest to the student. That seems like it has some location bias in there. It's randomly selected, but only gas stations near the student. One local area may not represent prices in another part of the state. I'm going to rule this one out because A is less biased than this. C, we have random, and then we have from 3 cities in the state. That's selection bias. I think that's too few cities and that has more bias than the first. This is across the entire state. 3 cities is not representing the entire state. We're going to eliminate that. Now D, we have 20 randomly selected gas stations and they sell the same brand of gas. Well, that's brand bias. Nowhere in here, it just says wants to determine the average price of a gallon of gas. If we're doing the same brand of gas, so the same gas stations across the whole state, we've left out all of the other brands, which might have a better average price, or a lower. It might be lower or it might be higher, so we might not get the right average. So we're going to rule this one out, which leaves us with A. A is not random, it's not biased, and it's most likely to represent the average price of gas in the entire state. So there you have it. 20 randomly selected gas stations across the state is our best representation of the data. Thanks for joining me today to talk about sampling a population and looking for randomness and bias. And that's the magic of math, where we continue to master math 1 video at a time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you come back soon.